What do I love most about Aloha Week? It gives me a chance to do my purpose. I love helping people get out of pain and resolve chronic health complaints and get back to living the healthy, active, pain-free life that they love and they want to love and they want to do and their family wants them to do, and not be suffering and kind of step back into a good new season of their life, kind of like the earlier seasons of their life. And Aloha Week gives me the opportunity to do that, meet a whole bunch of new people, give them some free care, raise some money for the Friendship Shelter and School Power. I love Aloha Week. I wish I could do it all the time.
What I love most about Aloha Week is all the new faces that come in, and also it's a great time for people to experience what Health and Balance has to offer, and a lot of people will get some answers and some direction.
My favorite part about Aloha Week is seeing our new patients and also our old patients, but really seeing our new patients come in, getting better, getting interested in their health, and possibly pursuing a path for them so they can get to where they want to be, whether it was them not being able to do the things that they love, they're not able to pick up their children, or they're having pain at work. All of these things give me great joy to help my patient along their path to health.
My favorite part about Aloha Week is that the energy is really upbeat, and we have like a bunch of new patients and old patients just talking and getting to meet each other.
My favorite part of Aloha Week is seeing all the new faces and seeing people leave excited about getting healthy.
So my favorite part of Aloha Week is all of the new people that get to come in and say that they didn't know that we were here, and that we're kind of a hidden gem, and that they're so pleased with their treatment and happy that they found us. Here we are right across from the Laguna Beach Library behind me, if you can see that. And it's great to see some people coming from our neighboring communities as well: Newport, Corona Del Mar, Dana Point, Irvine. People come from all over, and it's nice to mix it up and meet all these new people, see how we can help them on their health journey.
My favorite part of Aloha Week is giving back to the community and just seeing these new faces.
My favorite part of Aloha Week is getting to meet all the new friendly faces.
My favorite part of Aloha Week is hard to say because there's so many amazing things, but I'd have to say probably seeing people come get treatment and answers to pain and problems that they've had for so long, but they haven't really been seeking out answers. And Aloha Week opens up that opportunity for them to just come in, have fun, get some free treatment, and give them the perfect next steps to continue to seek treatment for their problems. So, yeah.
My favorite thing about Aloha Week is the altruism that comes with it. Not only are we giving back into the community by helping people get help on any of their problems for free, but we're also taking any of their donations and supporting School Power and the Friendship Shelter.
All right, so my favorite part about Aloha Week is just getting to meet the community here, getting to show them our unique practice, getting to guide them to reaching their health goals. So come to Aloha Week. We'd love to meet you and just show you what we have going on here.